Volume profile, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And the reason I'm so giggly and happy right now is because I cannot believe how this volume profile indicator looked like on today's price action. Just can't believe it. All right, for those of you guys that were using this volume indicator today, it was an absolute thing of beauty. Let's get right into it, folks. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It's an honor and a pleasure to present to you and do these videos on volume technical analysis for you each and every day. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. And my friends, what you're seeing overlaid onto the chart right now is our proprietary volume profile indicator. All right, and what you're going to learn in this video is why volume profile indicators are so effective, why they're so powerful, and I'm going to show you the right way and the wrong way, in my humble opinion, of course, on what professional volume traders are doing versus amateur retail volume traders are doing. And you're going to be shocked at the technical difference between the two of them. All right, but first things first, what is volume? Why is it so important? Why should it matter to you? Well, folks, the truth on how to answer that question is really just, it depends on a person's theory, right? Every Joe Schmo out there has their own theory on how to create their own volume profile. And here's the truth. 90% of them are garbage. 90% of them look like this, right? Or they look like this, where these people are coming up with all sorts of ridiculous terms like, oh, hey, man, this is a volume profile accumulation. This is a volume profile distribution. Bro, I'm not interested in this garbage, right? If I'm a simple trader and I want to just create a simple volume profile for myself, well, this is what I want to look at. Okay? Where it's simply a nice green and red color band. That's all I'm interested in. Don't show me this nonsense on volume profile garbage. All right, I don't even know what this is. I don't know how any reasonable person can look at this chart or look at this chart and say, yeah, I know what a buy signal looks like. I know what a sell signal looks like. Hey, get out of here with this. Anyway, folks, this is my interpretation of what volume profile looks like and what volume profile should be. All right? Because here's the thing. What is volume? Volume is the large traders, what I like to call the smart money, the big money, the institutions, and the algo traders out there. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, it's right in the name. Volume means a certain amount of market participants have to come in and enter the market all at the same time. That is what causes this volume profile indicator color band to turn from red into green, right? At this exact moment in time, right, this volume profile indicator detected a volume shift. You understand what I'm saying? This area in the market, these little pockets, okay, is what I care about. This is something that might be statistically significant to me. And when this happens, I want to pay attention. Okay? Just like if I take it back. All right, let's take it back. Look at this. Look at this absolutely gorgeous short, aka sell signal, that printed on this volume profile indicator right over here. Okay, and folks, let me try to squish this in, man. Let me try to squish this in so you guys can get an impression of the entire day. Let me go ahead and clean up the chart a little bit. There you go, folks. Don't you think that this volume profile indicator looks like a work of art? This could easily be in a museum somewhere in the Pablo Picasso section, right? Volume profile indicator turns red at this exact moment in time. A lot of different ways to play this, right? You guys have seen the retracement videos. Here's something else that makes me laugh. Look at that retracement right there. Textbook. Look at that retracement right there. Textbook. All right? A volume profile indicator alerts you of a potential trend change. That's what so many of the other indicators are not able to do. If I look at this garbage here, right, this BS version of a volume profile, I can't determine where the trend change is happening, right? Whereas on this chart right over here, it's relatively obvious, right? I mean, again, folks, we're talking about green and red. That's all we're talking about. Wow, look at this. Look at that nice retracement right there. Tell me you can't spot that retracement, ladies and gentlemen. Right? And if we were to quantify this, I mean, technically the volume profile turned green right there, around 4,200 on the S&P. We're just at around 4,300 on the S&P. My goodness, folks, this was 100 handles on the S&P. Guys, do you understand that this was a 500 tick potential move and closer to 5,000 pips if you follow along in Forex? This is unbelievable. Hey, now I don't know if the market's going to move like this every day. Look, I wish I could tell you the market's going to move like this every single day, right? Where the opportunities are so clean and obvious, but that's not the point of this video, right? This video is to educate you guys on real volume profiles, real volume technical analysis, and in my opinion, what a real volume profile chart should look like. Because here's the thing, when it comes to deploying a volume profile strategy to your charts, I don't think it should be open to subjectivity, right? There shouldn't be a lot of clutter and garbage and just nonsense that shows up on your chart when you're trying to demystify volume profile. And this is just my opinion. I don't think volume profile should look like this. I think this right here, which is unfortunately what a majority of traders out there are using, I think, in my opinion, this is just a giant waste of time, okay? Because I like to look at a chart like this. I'm a very simple person. I like to look at a volume profile chart, and I need to know quickly, in a matter of seconds, tell me what direction the volume is indicating. Is it indicating a bearish trend, or is the volume indicating a bullish trend? Okay, so congrats to everybody who was using this volume indicator today. I know you guys killed it today on the S&P 500, on the Nas, on the Dow, on the Russell. It was a thing of absolute beauty. You guys know the volatility is here to stay. And let's continue to pray for more trading days like this. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.